and I can be someone else other than a person that's just a grunt. I had not gone to college, ever, other than some trade schools, minor electrical, firefighting, stuff like that, but nothing in the college perspective. And so that was the biggest challenge, was just starting. I noticed early on, especially when I was taking just one course per semester, that I needed to make some adjustments and give some structure to the classes I was taking, or else it was just random, trying to meet deadlines and trying to organize my life, personal life, not ignore my family, things of that nature, cut the grass, work a job, which my job is very structured. It's 7 to 4, Monday through Friday, so that's a benefit to me. But I began to notice, I naturally would get up at 4 a.m. anyway. Let's get up at 4 and let's do some homework. And let's look at our deadlines that we've got at our Wednesday or Tuesday and Saturday and Sunday, and let's see what is the easiest and what we can crush first. Crush it, get it out of the way, and then focus on something that's a little more difficult, like writing a paper for me would have been the more difficult task. Not knowing an APA format, being a very slow typer. So now if I've got a paper due Sunday by midnight, I've got several days where I can get up and kind of peck away at it, knock out a couple pages, go back and proofread, and it takes the pressure off when you can set up some sort of structure that says, okay, 4 a.m., 6 a.m., I'm going to do some paperwork. What did I learn about myself by taking the college courses? That I wasn't as dumb as I thought I was. 30 years is a large gap. All of my life I've made a living using my hands, physical work, heavy labor, because I honestly thought that's all I could do. Champlain College Online actually made it easy, but it has given me the opportunity to pivot and use something other than my hands. It has taught me that I can use my mind. I can think through things. I can process things. And I can be someone else other than a person that's just a grunt, that's just a hard, heavy laborer. I have the ability to go out and do something because this college has allowed me to do that.